I told you it's not ready yet.
Honey, just show it to them.
Godson, that's wonderful.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You okay now? No. Sounds like you're in Gabby's room. That's what it sounds like. They're a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay. 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 Shh. Okay. 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 It's okay. It's okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I gotta save the rest for Jesse. Well, you have a really good day.
Yeah, you too as well.
My name's Howard.
Howard, I'm Rudy.
Rudy and Knox. Say bye. You wanna go for a ride? You wanna ride on Knox's back? Okay, have a great one.
You too.
Thank you.